What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, the best place for affiliate marketers and entrepreneurs. I'm here to answer your questions with my honest opinion based on my own experience and my own research. And today I will be looking at affiliate marketing and scammers. And this is a question that I had from a few of my viewers, and I'm going to try and answer it in a simple, easy, understandable way to make sure that you don't fall in this big trap. In my presentation today, I will talk about affiliate marketing scams, work from home, U1, business with huge profits, pyramid schemes, and no free engagement. So by the end of this presentation, I hope you will have a little bit more knowledge about affiliate marketing and scams. I'm Dr. Loendi from legitblueprint.com, where I provide advice, training, reviews to help you create and grow your online business. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe for my channel and ring the bell not to miss any of my forthcoming videos. Now the first thing, many of us are upset and frustrated with our jobs. The low pay and sense of being undervalued drive many of us to dream of our own business. However, the costs combined with the risk factors stop most of us in our tracks. Affiliate marketing is a way for people to work for themselves with no risk. There is no cost to you and you paid on performance. However, today one has to be careful. There are plenty of scammers and con artists out there that are more than happy to take your money and hard work. Unfortunately, affiliate marketing is not immune to these scammers. Daily, people are taken in by promises of big money with relatively little effort. Now, if we look at fraud and scammers, I found this on the internet. Fake, not genuine, imitation or counterfeit. Organized criminals. This is what you get with a racket. Clever devices, especially as used to trick or deceive others. This is the A, artifice. Underworld is a community of criminals referred to the underworld. And deception, statement which misleads and hides the truth. And most of this we see with affiliate marketing. The other not as much. How much do you know about scams? Take the quiz to see how you stand against scams. You will get your fraud score in your email after completion of the quiz. Just use the link I provided and you can join and do the quiz for free. Now, when you join an affiliate marketing scheme, you are either going to sell something, a product, a service, or something. How you decide to do this is largely up to you. You could also sell a service, your own service or somebody else's service. Web page designs as well as increasing sales and internet traffic are all examples of services offered by affiliate marketing programs. Headlines. This is the first thing I want to talk about. I make up to $1266.75 per day from ClickBank. Yes, this can be true. Find out how you can start today and under 5 minutes in 14 clicks. Now there is the little scammy bit. It's not so easy. Let's look at the next one. The world's first all-inclusive 3-in-1 blogging toolkit that automatically spits out unlimited hyper-pro niche blogs in minutes. In minutes is the one, and spits out unlimited, it cannot be true. Definitely. Working in this business, it's hard work to get to the right products and get to the right services that I can sell. Number 3, welcome to the work less, live more lifestyle of 30 minutes workday, where jobs are optional, but freedom is a must. This can work, and after years of affiliate marketing and hard work, you can reach this, but definitely not as a beginner. And the last one, sell ready-made products. Yeah, you can. People are doing ready-made products. The easiest way to start your own online business, sell products, get free traffic and make money online. It's not so easy. I've been in this business 5 years and I'm still not there where I can have a 30-minute work day where I can sit back and say, I earn millions and big money. It's hard work. So be careful. Look at this, be careful, and listen to what I'm saying to you. If you're thinking of being an affiliate marketer, you need to know, is it products? Is it services, software, deals? What are the things that will be expected from you that you will be selling on behalf of the company? How many times have you seen ads on the internet promising huge earnings? So wrapping up what I just said, any company that's just selling the opportunity to make money is likely to be a scam. What are the companies selling? Products, services, software, deals. We must make sure they will also have a disclaimer and terms and conditions listed. Now the next business that provide the possibility to make money are likely pyramid schemes. The only people paying money in are the ones in fact signing up with this. There's no earnings being produced, simply cash being passed from one person to another. Not only are these scams and you lose what you spent, they are additionally illegal in some countries and you can encounter prosecution. Another thing to watch out for is no cost-free engagement. If you have to pay to join, after that you may have come across a fraud or what we call multi-level advertising program or multi-level marketing. Programs, they are completely legal, as well as some people make good livings out of them. However, if you're not successful, you might wind up acquiring a number of items that you cannot offer. And you will be stuck, because mostly the ones that I encountered with, mostly you buy a kit with all these products and then you will recruit people to help you sell products, or you just sell to your customers. But this is easier said than done. Showed us a lot of positive things, that we can work from home, we can be effective, we can still support each other. But the scammers also got their fingers in this. And there's a lot of scams. So you have to make sure that when you look into whatever you want to start doing, check out. Here I just have a few that I'm showing. I even had somebody calling me to say Facebook is giving out all this money. Yes, I never signed up for anything. No, it's free. You just have to get your money, and it's like $200,000. Okay, what do I have to do? First, you have to pay $5,000. Then you will get your $200,000. Well, my answer to this was, no thank you, I'm not interested. If you can take the $5,000 from the $2,000 and give me the rest, I will accept. So be careful. There's lots of scams, especially after Corona. They increased. Is affiliate marketing, and this is not a scam. We have customers. The affiliate puts the ad on the website, the customer buy, and then once they buy, the affiliate gets commission and we're all happy. But we must make sure which products are we selling. I never sell products that I haven't used and I don't trust. If it's quality, legit, I will look into it. Otherwise, no. There is a lot of shiny objects, people buying with fake and misleading headlines, and at the end, they don't make a dime. Affiliate marketing, advertising, and selling can be an exceptional method for extremely encouraged creative person to make an excellent living. There are some fantastic programs available, simply waiting to be joined. Nevertheless, for every single terrific program, there's most likely one that is deceitful. We have to check them out. I'm part of a great team and I found a wonderful mentor. So I'm happy that I'm in an affiliate marketing network with the amazing training, free training, and I will leave the link below if you ever was dreaming about your own business that you can join me and I'll help you become successful. I even thought of writing a book. This book is not only for affiliate marketing, but it involves lots more. So if you want to understand more about scams and how to avoid the popular scams of today, this book will be available from 1 November, and if you want to obtain it, the link will be below the video. But for now, it's still with the publishers. In summary, be careful if someone you do not know calls you. Ask for money or information. Unusual payment requests. Internet business, promises of big bucks. I showed you how misleading some of the advertisements can be. Multi-level marketing, pyramid schemes, stay away. This is not for guys like us, especially the newbies. Lie about their earnings and potential income. This is most likely not a legal business. Big money investment. I stay away of investments. I've been burned a few times and I just decided, first thing they ask, $250. Then you have to upgrade for another $250 and. So guys, I hope this was helpful and I hope you learned a little bit more about affiliate marketing and scammers and how to spot them. I'm Dr. Loendi from legitblueprint.com, where I provide advice, training, and reviews to help you create and grow your online business. Check the links below. I will put some more links for you to read about scams and how to make sure you spot them. Do not miss any forthcoming video, so give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time on the other side of the screen.